ट्रेन रवाना होने के उपरांत तुरंत लेफ्ट साइड से किसी एक व्यक्ति द्वारा पत्थर मारा गया है।
The Mahakumbh, one of the largest spiritual gatherings in the world, stands as a beacon of India's rich cultural and religious heritage. Yet, the symbol of unity and devotion is under attack. A disturbing incident on January 12, 2025 has shed light on a growing trend of hostility toward Hindu festivals and religious events. Near Jalgaon, Maharashtra, pilgrims aboard the Tapti Ganga Express en route to the sacred Mahakumbh in Prayagraj were attacked with stones. Videos shared by passengers, including this one, reveal the horrifying ordeal. Glass shattered, stones flew, and the sense of safety was shattered for these devotees. Now, this is the first train carrying devotees for the Amrit Snan at Mahakumbh, said one passenger.
जलगांव से गाड़ी छूटी कम से कम 3 किलोमीटर आगे कोई असामाजिक तत्वों द्वारा पत्थर फेंका गया। हम रेलवे मिनिस्टर से नम्र विनती करते हैं हमारे लोग की सुरक्षा प्रदान किया जाए।
This is not an isolated incident. Similar attacks occurred in 2024 targeting trains heading to Ayodhya and other religious sites. Many of these incidents took place near areas with illegal encroachments along railway lines, raising serious questions about the safety of pilgrims and the adequacy of security measures. The attack on Tapti Ganga Express is a chilling reminder of past tragedies like the 2002 Godhra train burning, where 59 car sevaks were brutally killed. From stone pelting on Ram Navami processions to violence during Durga Puja immersions, the pattern of targeted attacks against Hindu religious gatherings is unmistakable. In Haryana's Nuh district, communal violence during the Brij Mandal Yatra in 2024 further underscored the brazenness of antisocial elements. In Bharuch, Uttar Pradesh, a 22-year-old was gruesomely murdered for participating in a Hindu religious procession. Now, these incidents point to a deliberate attempt to disrupt India's cultural harmony. Now, many are questioning the role of political appeasement in fueling these tensions. Restrictions imposed on Hindu festivals, such as the 2022 ban on Durga idol immersions in West Bengal to accommodate Muharram processions, have drawn sharp criticism. Such actions are seen as emboldening disruptive elements rather than ensuring communal harmony. Another troubling aspect is the role of illegal encroachments near the critical infrastructure, often dominated by specific communities. Now, these areas have become hubs for antisocial activities, posing a threat not just to pilgrims but to national security. Clearing these encroachments is no longer optional, it is an urgent necessity of times. The Mahakumbh, a symbol of spiritual unity, attracts millions from across the globe. Attacks on its pilgrims are more than just acts of violence. They are attempts to fracture India's social fabric and undermine its cultural pride. Preserving India's unity requires immediate action. Strengthening security measures, holding perpetrators accountable, and resisting divisive forces are critical steps. Now, Hindu festivals are not just religious events, they are integral to India's identity and heritage. And this must be preserved for the greater good of the land and its people.